Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how to run your video inside a particular text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I've already made a video on it, but this video will be a more precise one than the previous video. So to do so, first of all you have to import your video in the timeline. Now just for the reference, I want to show you how this video looks like. Okay, so in order to run it inside a particular text, we have to add a text here. So we will go to text and I will type my name here. So the font is in impact size. Okay, so you have to go to select and adjust its size according to your video. So I want this to be in this part of the video. I will increase its size a little bit more. Okay, now you have to go to effects and you have to search here matte. Okay, now you have to scroll down and you will find this track matte key. You have to pick and put it in your video. Now when you will put it in your video, you will find a new option, track matte key. You have to click on this arrow and under matte you have to select video 2 because our text is residing in video 2. Okay, so when you will select it and when I will run it, so you can see that so you can see that it is running inside the text which I have typed. So this is the way you can run your video inside a particular text. Thank you.